Uh, whew. The school was so busy today. Mama?
Yes, Kriti. Oh, you have come back.
Yes, Mama.
So how was the day?
It was very good, but I'm sad for my friend.
Why?
She lost her book today.
Which book?
She lost her English book.
Oh my God. Then how she was able to study for her test?
Hmm.
How she lost it?
Mama, I think she didn't write her name.
Oh my God, didn't write the name. Names are very important. How
Yes.
if somebody got it, might be somebody will get it. How he or she will recognize that whose book is this if she or he wants to return it? How? Don't you think names are very important?
Yes, Mama.
Yes, because if my name would not be Kiran, how you will be recognized? Who is Kiran? Who is Kritika? So, we got the topic today. And the topic is names. And when I say names, means proper.
Noun.
So, hi, I'm Kiran.
And I'm Kritika.
And welcome to KK English,
Roo.
where English is
Fun.
So, what is the fun today?
Oh, yeah, we are playing new game.
Yes, proper noun everyone knows. But what is the twist today? Fun with proper noun. So be with us till the end because we will play game with the proper noun which you can play when you are free. Okay? So let's rewind, recap very fast. So let's do proper noun. So, proper nouns. What are proper nouns? So, till all through these videos, we have done common nouns. Isn't it, Kriti?
Oh, yes,
We
Mama.
have done common nouns with plural, singular. So, proper nouns. So, proper nouns say
Names.
names. Names of any person or place or thing or animal, whatever. When you are specifying someone, when you are giving someone name, that means you are using proper noun there. Fine. So, for example, let's do common, convert into proper.
Proper.
So,
Mama, I can do.
yes, give a common noun.
Common noun. Chair.
Chair. Chair.
Oh, no.
We can't give a chair a name.
Mama, girl.
Girl, yes, girl. Sorry, girl is a common. So I'm not saying any specific girl. But if you are specifying a girl and you are saying who? Girl, who is the girl?
Kritika.
Kritika. Okay, Kritika. Kritika is the girl. So when I'm specifying the girl, I'll give a name. That is called proper noun. When I'm not specifying, it is a common noun. Very simple. So let's start. An object.
Object. Chair, table.
Something like car. When you give a car is a common.
Maruti Suzuki.
Okay, Maruti. Maruti. Suzuki. Okay. When you are saying about chocolate, chocolate is common. When you are saying about some specific chocolate like dairy milk, it becomes proper. So this much we understood, isn't it?
Yes.
So what is important is always the one thing is very important. Always
capital.
yes. Caption is very important. Write K or anything which you are the letter which you are starting or in proper noun. Write in capital. Always write in capital. Like you are writing India, I should be capital. When you are writing Ganga, G should be capital. Anything should be capital. And what is important? When you are writing someone's name, don't use the. Like if I'm saying the Kritika, it's wrong actually.
It sounds also.
When I'm saying the Kritika, generally we don't use the with anyone's name. But if you are specifying someone very great, who is very great with the names of a person only. When I'm saying the George Bush, here I am making George Bush very great. Then only I can write the George Bush, the Mahatma Gandhi.
The Shakespeare.
Yeah, the Shakespeare, right? But until unless the person is not very great, we don't use the.
Critic.
If you're saying I'm the Kritika, that means you are proving yourself as very great. Generally avoid the name. So that was enough for proper noun. I think proper noun is known to everyone. So what is
So guys, now it's game time. Yes. Mama.
Wait, come in.
Oh.
Yes, game time.
Oh, let me tell you what's the new game today. So here we have some flashcards.
Okay.
Then we have something written on that.
Alright.
Any topic of biscuit or brand.
So common nouns are written.
Yeah.
And what to do?
Now we have to just like, can you hold it?
Yeah, sure.
You have to dance like this and speak the words.
Okay, to brief it, we have the common nouns and we have to give proper nouns of the given thing. Like if it is biscuit, we have to give the names of the biscuit.
Brand.
Yeah, and while doing, your hands up and okay, clicking the fingers also.
And tapping your feet.
Okay, tapping your feet. And then still the last one will not get any proper name.
You can't do like no, that's not allowed.
Okay. I'm going to do definitely this time. Fine, let's start. Very interesting game. So
can
it's not required that you should have to with the flashcards. No,
you can do orally.
Verbally also you can give different. Okay. Let's start.
Okay. And here I have 4 cards.
4 cards.
Now I will shuffle it.
Okay.
Please pick one. Oh, flowers.
So flower. Flower is a common noun. Now we have to give proper names of flowers.
Okay.
So should I start or you?
Yeah. You should start.
Yeah. Okay. Lily.
Rose.
Jasmine.
Lotus.
Morning else.
Daisy.
Marigold. Up. Well played, very well played. It happens. When you play the game, you generally don't remember the names.
I can tell now one. Blooming daisies are also there.
Okay.
Yellow colors that are.
Okay. Doesn't matter. Just a game. So games we are just clearing the concept. Right.
I think something good.
Alright.
Oof! Biscuit. I know that. Let's go. No problem. I'll start. Oreo.
Saga biscuit.
Parle-G.
50-50.
Monaco.
Cadbury biscuit.
Cadbury no biscuit.
Then
Quick.
then Marigold.
Okay, good day.
Good day. Marilite.
Nothing. Acha, Marilite, but it's only one brand.
Yes, I know. Okay.
Crunchy Munchy.
Okay.
You should pick.
Okay. I will click.
Yeah. We have all. Remove flowers.
Sure. Oh my God! Chocolate!
Yes. Now,
Chocolate! I only know 2-3 chocolates, please.
no toffees, okay?
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Dairy milk.
Kit Kat.
Pasta.
Moo milk chocolate bars.
Be good.
Munch. Should I do?
Yes.
5 stars.
5 stars? Okay. Oh.
Nice.
Do we have more chocolates in India?
Yeah.
Does it?
We have like we have bonbon chocolate also. Which one? We have brought also one. Cherry and something. Britannia. Yeah.
Okay, so last.
Yes, Britannia. Chocolate and coconut chocolate.
Okay, come this side.
Yeah.
Okay, the last we have is country with a vowel sound.
No.
No consonant, only vowel. So let's start.
I will say
Okay.
India.
Iran.
Iran. Okay. No. Sorry. I'll say Indonesia.
Okay. Afghanistan.
Austria.
Okay. Ukraine.
Albania.
Okay. Ireland.
I can't tell. Then.
Okay, fine. So ultimately, Kriti won the game. 2 and 1. She got 2 points and I got 1.
No, you won this. It's a tie.
Then also you won the first 2 games. So first 2 rounds you won. So now it's time to say bye and keep watching our next video. We are going to have more fun. Every time we bring fun with us, what we want is your and your subscription. And
Please watching our channel. Please like and subscribe. And keep learning English. Have fun.
and keep commenting because comments boost our confidence. And comment that
Which game you want to play or what any
The other-
queries or
yes, the other ideas or something which we missed that you remember. So next we are going to carry with the topic noun. Keep it up. Keep on learning. Keep learning with fun and games and speak English. That was the lesson.
yes.
Bye.
Bye.
Take care.